What's up, guys? Backyard property maintenance here. I'm in Ledston. You know me from channel. This is the same channel. I just renamed it. I started another channel called MotoModz, and it's done pretty well. So we've done it's been about a year now since I've been doing MotoModz, and if you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. Go watch it, because that's where I'm going to be posting all the stuff that I post on this channel over on MotoModz. But on this channel, I'm going to be starting to do outside videos. I want to do some lawn care videos, tree cutting videos, all kinds of stuff. Just fun stuff that I want to do in my backyard. Got some property to do work on and that. So honestly, stay tuned, subscribe, like. I got lots of stuff that I want to do. I got bikes I'm gonna ride. We got toboggans we can sled on. You know, there's some work that you're gonna see in the garage still that I'm doing. I haven't stopped yet. I'm probably gonna do a video on those veneer signs up there. You know, I got lots of stuff. You know, you guys know how I like bikes and that. How I restored that trike. I'm restoring this. I was told it's an 82, but I think it's older. I think it's 60s. Rapido Classic check bike. So yeah, honestly, guys, go check out MotoModz and go subscribe to me, because why not? Help me out. I'm trying my best here, and for this channel, I hope to see you guys soon, because it's gonna be a fun one. I'm gonna be starting up like very soon. I got to get my channel trailer sorted out, but thanks for joining me, and stay tuned. Bye, guys.
Yes! That's awesome!